One person in this audience is going to go home with everything here. This is our largest favorite things list ever, 107 items.
Insane.
So we're psyched. We're psyched.
Okay.
Can I play Lucky You?
Yes, we have to roll everybody's picture. This is why everybody has to have their mugshot taken today.
Oh, so they didn't know why their pictures were being taken.
Look, there they are, all over there. They're like, dang, I should have glossed up.
Right.
Once again, not only is it 107 gifts, but this person is going home with more than $16,000 worth of merchandise. Are you ready, Gil? Yes. 3, 2, 1, go! Lucky you! Where is she?
Congratulations.
What's your name?
Stephanie.
Stephanie just said, should I speak into the microphone?
Hi, everyone. Oh, my God.
Stephanie,
I can't believe this.
have you started your holiday shopping yet?
Yeah, but I don't care anymore. Oh, my God. This is amazing.
It's amazing, right?
All of that you're going home with.
Everything here.
I'm going to have a heart attack right now.
Don't have a heart attack.
Stephanie, don't have a heart attack.
Okay, I'm going to try not to.
Thank you, Oprah.
Oh, my God. Thank you, Oprah.
King. Thank you,
Thank you, everyone.